There are a lot of benefits to virtual anatomy dissections. No messy and expensive specimens for one, but Visible Body Suite really stands out for its easy-to-use features. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Layers feature to dissect or build up a 3D gross anatomy view in seconds. In any gross anatomy view, you can access the systems tray via the tab on the left side of the screen. We'll use a muscular system view here as an example. We can move it around freely in 3D space, or put it on a dissection table for more of a virtual lab experience. Each icon in the systems tray represents a body system. Click on the icon to add or remove that whole system. To get more specific, use the plus and minus buttons next to those icons to add and remove layers within a body system. If I press the minus button once on the muscular system here, you'll see the fascia layers on the upper and lower limbs disappear from the model. We can add them back right away with the plus button, but let's shift our attention over to the abdominal muscles to see why the Layers feature is particularly useful for studying certain structures and systems. When students learn about the abdominal muscles, they need to know more than just the names. They have to learn how the muscles are arranged in layers. The Layers feature makes it easy to visualize this without needing to select structures one at a time, though you can still do that with the regular Dissect tool on the bottom menu. We can see the external obliques here on the outermost layer, and then if we press the minus button twice, we can see the next layer down, where we can find the rectus abdominis and the internal obliques. Remove that layer to check out the transversus abdominis, then press the minus button one last time to take all the muscles off the model. We're going to build the muscular system back up again, but this time we'll do it for only the abdomen. To do that, use the Affected Region button at the top of the systems tray. Toggle the full body off and abdomen on so you can focus just on the structures you want to study. If we take all the muscles off again and go back to the full body region, we can build up a new view using the Layers feature. For example, we can easily add in the digestive system even though that wasn't part of the original model we selected from the menu. Using the plus and minus buttons under the digestive system icon, we can add the oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, and small intestine, then the large intestine, rectum, and anus, then the accessory digestive organs, and lastly, the peritoneum and omentum. That's all for this tutorial. We hope that using the Layers feature makes your 3D anatomy learning experience with VB Suite even more amazing. To learn more about VB Suite, visit us at visiblebody.com/VB Suite.